Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. I want to share with you a project that I did using a cut file from the LiQWYD store. It was fairly easy to do. The person that created it had pictures on how to put it together, and you somewhat kind of had to figure out some stuff too based on the pictures and the way it was presented. But overall, the project came out nicely, and I want to share with you what it looks like. It's just an armoire, and I made it to store stuff in my craft room. That's the side. That's the back. That's the other side. And here's the top. And let me show you the bottom. It's fairly sturdy. Okay, let me open it here and share with you what it looks like. Okay, inside I have some cut files that I also purchased from the LiQWYD store, and it's magazine holders that I downsized to fit inside of this armoire. It didn't have in the cut file for a shelf to put to be right here, so what I did was I just created my own shelf, and I think it turned out pretty nice. Has a drawer right here, comes out, and I may go back and make another one just so it'll be a little bit sturdy. But I like the way that it turned out. I will have all the information in the description below on the number of the product from the LiQWYD store. So thank you all for stopping by. You all have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.